You did it in your house. In your own house.
Look, Jim, okay, I know it seems crazy, but Jim, what I'm trying to tell you is that Tracy and I are totally in love.
In love?
Yeah. It's serious. She inspires me in ways that Linda never has. She even wants to read my novel.
But you haven't written your novel.
That's the whole point. I've got the whole thing right here. I just need to get it out there. And Tracy wants me to write it so she can read it. It's beautiful.
Dave, I'm just saying this as your friend. What you're doing is really, really wrong, and you've got to stop. The line you've crossed it's immoral and it's illegal.
Jim, come on. I don't need a
about it.
lecture on ethics.
I'm not
okay?
talking about ethics. I'm talking about morals.
What's the difference?
I guess I don't have to tell you how this all turned out.
Tracy's mom, she doesn't understand.
No, I say she doesn't. The fact is, I have never seen a mother so upset. All right, I know what Tracy told her mother, what her mother told me. I need to hear this from you because I have a legal responsibility here. Let me ask you this. Did you cross the line with this girl?
We're in love.
Your novel? Are you fucking kidding me?
Linda.
After Dave got fired, Linda kicked him out of the house and filed for divorce.
Linda.
He ended up moving back to Milwaukee to live with his parents. He's lucky he's not in jail.
Linda!